Good morning and welcome to Kiddo's Corral. I'm so glad that you have decided to watch this video. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. Guys, so I've already started my day. I've had my cup of coffee, made my bed, curled my hair, got dressed, put some makeup on, and I'm ready to start my day today. Not a whole lot planned. There is a possibility that a friend may come over to visit, and if so, I will film that. We may have lunch together. I don't know. It's not written in stone. But anyways, I still have about a half cup of coffee left, and I am going to sit and enjoy. And Ron's downstairs, and we'll be catching in with you in a little bit. Hello, it is morning time here in West Virginia. And we are getting our day started. We have a friend that's coming over. It is official, I think, that they're coming over for some lunch today. Are you looking forward to some lunch?
Oh, I'm looking very forward to some lunch, especially since we're having pizza today.
Yes, pizza is highly on the list around here, isn't it?
Very highly. But we are looking forward to it. Got a little bit of rain today, yeah. But it's rainy but warm. So
we're going to clean off the porch a little bit, and that way we can practice some social distancing, but have some time out here. It's not cold at all. It's just drizzling rain, and we have a roof over our head here on the porch, so we're all good, aren't we?
And it's not that windy either, so that's
yeah, it's not real bad.
Part.
It's not real bad.
But I tell you what, we just had a wonderful week so far, and
yep.
Which
it's
every day
Thursday.
Yeah.
It's Thursday. It's our off day from going to the gym, although I have taken a couple days off, and he's gone by himself. You're hearing my neighbor's dogs go crazy. But yeah, it's our off day, so we are enjoying sleeping in. And I rolled over this morning and I grabbed my phone and it said 11:30.
Oh my, I didn't know what in the world to think.
I thought, did we really sleep in till almost noon? And yes, we did. It was almost noon, wasn't it, honey?
But believe me, we're not lazy.
Yeah, we're not lazy. We've actually had so much going on around here, and a lot of company in and out, and a lot of stuff just going on. The last couple nights, we have gone to bed really, really late because of stuff going on, which we may share with you in a vlog in the future, won't we?
Most definitely.
Let's just say, we're getting new neighbors. Oh, my mother-in-law's coming out of here. She wants to be on video. I can just tell.
Hey, mommy.
I didn't know y'all was doing video.
Just doing a simple blog.
Yeah, we have to get my mother-in-law in it because she's so beautiful.
I'm gonna see
So our friend is on his way over, and we're going to have pizza on the porch, which will be really, really nice. It is a thundery, gloomy day to have company, but we have a good place to have a picnic. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to have to film today. Somebody said, I do want to say something. Somebody said they could not see what I was using to fight off mosquitoes. It is the Johnson & Johnson's baby oil cream in the green little tube. I've read for the last couple of years a lot of people recommending that to help fight off mosquitoes, and I apologize if you all have written me and I've not gotten back. I've just been extremely busy. We've had a lot of fires in the A lot of irons in the fire. That's what I'm trying to say. And I'm looking forward to having some pizza. I've got the sriracha and the ranch dressing and some pepperoncinis and paper plates out on the porch, so that we can have a little bit of a picnic with him. It's going to be nice to have somebody come over, and we're still going to practice social distancing, but you know, we will still be able to enjoy his company. He is a gentleman that, he's a young man, that is one of the lifeguards over at the YMCA, and he also attended our wedding, and so that was very, very nice. Ronnie enjoys his company, and they love to talk about music and stuff, so I'll just be a third wheel, honestly, but I will get to be able to enjoy the pizza. And now you know I'm vlogging.
I know you are blogging, and I know we are on and running.
Yep.
Looks like the rain has ceased for a moment.
Still cloudy out here.
Yeah, I think it's going to be most of the day, but you know what? We're still blessed. It's a very nice day. Rain has ceased.
Yep.
Still waiting on our company, which won't be long.
He's waiting for the pizza.
Well, sometimes that can take about 20 minutes, but that's okay.
I'm hungry.
You know what they say? The wait's worth everything.
Well, I hope it's good today, don't you?
The more wait, the more good it is.
Mm-hmm. So we're looking forward to it. I'm hungry. Ronnie's hungry. I did slip in a few cookies that I probably shouldn't have had.
I didn't even have him. I didn't even know you had him. You didn't tell me.
You didn't hear me munching on them?
Uh-uh.
Yeah, I was munching on cookies.
But I just got done having a big old cup of coffee.
Yep.
Big
You're
old
wearing
cup of
some
coffee.
of it.
Yeah.
Well, anyways, we had good Colombian coffee this morning, and then his mom had some coffee, and so he had to get in on that and have some of hers too, right?
I sure did.
Well, honey, my arm's getting tired.
Your arm's getting tired?
I love you.
Well, my jaws are getting tired. I love you, baby.
Hey guys, I just got up, put a little makeup on, got dressed, getting my day started today, and I'm about to load the washing machine. And now we are on our way home, and it's dinner time. So I'm browning a couple pounds of ground beef, and I'm going to drain it. And then I'm going to add in some chopped mushrooms and peppers, as many as you like. And then I'm going to add in a taco seasoning mix. This one come from Aldi. Now I'm adding 1 can of drained black beans. And an entire jar of pecanis. You can add as many as you like. This gives this great flavor. Now I have an entire head of cabbage chopped. I'm going to add my meat mixture right to the top. There it is. And it's ready to go into a 375-degree oven, covered with foil, for about 45 minutes. It's going to come out and look like this, and we are going to cover it in some taco style cheese. Here it is here, and I used about 3 cups. This is really going to make it delicious. Here it is ready to go back into the oven until it's nice and bubbly. And that's what it looks like when it comes out. Oh, and it smells like heaven. And it's ready to serve up with a little sour cream.